Hello, I'm Keke. This is Legacy. We gonna do She Ratchet by Emmanuel, Hudson, and his brother. Yeah, I think that's She Ratchet. Okay, you ready?
Oh my God, who let her come out the house like that? Hold up, somebody. She is doing her.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
I'm finna take this type of picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Because you Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the flow. No shoe, where's up? I had to get cute today. I bought jeans for a boost today. I had to keep it looking good because my baby that just made Bill. He'll thug, he'll shoot today. Child support check in 2 days. Just got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know
Gon' be fit up. Move, Trump.
Get out
It's
my
the
way.
15th. I got my food stamp.
Cha-cha.
Got a brand new piercing, a brand new tech. I paid $95 for this week plus tax. Been a thing over on the spank my thumb. Nowhere had this tank low. You thinking that you better than I am. Well, then you thinking wrong. Whatever. My number. Boy, bye. What's wrong with you? Oh, girl. Hey, girl. You look good. Turn around. Let me see what did your sew in. Oh, okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye. OMG. What do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Let me take this stuff for a picture.
Cause she Ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on
You
Twitter.
know you Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her
Oh,
face.
she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She Ratchet.
My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Carl. The club is free before 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury. Jordan first dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pound team, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. New FV got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team he paying. I mean, he might as well spend it on me, cause you ain't looking like nothing.
I'm gonna hurt y'all.
What you gonna do? Please, please, girl. What? Oh my God.
What is wrong with her? She's so fake.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this type of picture.
Because she Ratchet.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
I know you Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
See, Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She Ratchet.
Thinking she look good with the leopard skin.
Don't nobody wear leopard. Get right, girl. Get right, girl. Anyways, that was our little ghetto moment.
Girl,
You know,
I ain't
we had
like
to do
that.
it. I forced her into it, but it's all good because we fine like that. But this your girl, Legacy, Keke. That be it. We be out straight like that.